Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Ubuntu WSL on Windows 10. And we'll be following a helpful YouTube tutorial to guide us through the process. So, let's get started. Ubuntu WSL, or Windows Subsystem for Linux, is a fantastic tool that allows you to run Linux on your Windows 10 computer. It's a great way to explore the world of Linux without having to set up a separate machine. Now, let's head over to our YouTube tutorial and follow along. The first step is to open the Windows Store and search for Ubuntu. Once you've found it, click on the Get button and wait for it to download. Next, open the Ubuntu app and click on the Install button. This will start the installation process. Once it's done, you'll be prompted to create a new user. Choose a username and password, and you're all set. Congratulations, successfully installed Ubuntu WSL on your Windows 10 computer. Now, you can explore the world of Linux and expand your tech knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this tech adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time, happy exploring.